Ever pondered the question, what if machines could think and act like humans? Welcome to the fascinating world of robotics, where this question isn't just hypothetical, but a reality in progress. Dive into the realm of industrial robots first. These mechanical marvels striding across the manufacturing floors have transformed industries. Precision, efficiency, and consistency are their middle names. Painting, welding, assembling, you name it, they do it. They are the silent workhorses, tirelessly performing tasks humans might find monotonous or risky. Next, consider the mobile robots. These are the ones that have been breaking the traditional boundaries of robotics, venturing into fields such as space exploration, deep-sea dives, and even your living room floors. Autonomous and semi-autonomous, these robots navigate through environments, collecting data or performing tasks. Think of the Mars rover scouring the red planet's surface, or the humble robotic vacuum cleaner that keeps your home spotless. Now imagine a robot that looks, talks, and behaves like a human. That's a humanoid robot for you, a mirror image of its creator. From the famous Sophia to the androids you see in movies, these robots can walk, converse, and even mimic human expressions. They are not just science fiction anymore, but a reality shaping our future. Are you a fan of drones? Well, they too fall under the broad umbrella of robotics. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, have changed the game in multiple sectors. From delivering packages to capturing breathtaking aerial shots, these flying robots have made a significant impact. Lastly, let's not forget the nanobots, the tiny robots that hold immense potential. Invisible to the naked eye, these microscopic machines might one day revolutionize medicine by performing surgeries or delivering drugs at the cellular level. In this journey through the world of robotics, we've encountered industrial robots, contributing to large-scale manufacturing. We've met mobile robots, exploring places beyond human reach. We've seen humanoid robots, replicating human-like behaviors, and drones, changing the dynamics of various industries. And we've peered into the future with nanobots, promising groundbreaking medical advancements. In essence, robotics is the art and science of making machines that think and act like humans. It's about creating a symbiosis between artificial intelligence and mechanical design, striving to make our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. So, the next time you see a robot, remember, it's not just a machine. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a reflection of our relentless quest for progress, and a glimpse into a future where humans and robots coexist and collaborate. Thank you for joining this exploration of robotics. Here's to the marvels of technology and the endless possibilities they promise. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of robotics, don't forget to subscribe. We'll continue to delve deep into the fascinating universe of machines, automation, and artificial intelligence. Share this video with friends, family, or anyone you know who's interested in the rapid advancements of robotics. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Stay updated on our latest videos, because we've got a lot more exciting content coming your way. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future of robotics is already here, shaping our lives in ways we're just beginning to understand.